Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naomi and today we're going to be doing a review on the Yeezys and Adidas 700 Boost, and they're in a size 8.5. I tried on the 8 and they were actually a little bit small. I paid £2.50 for these and I bought them second hand from a friend. It doesn't actually say what the colour name is, but these are the shoes that I got and the colours. So they're kind of like a muted grey purple. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Obviously shoelaces, they kind of fade up into a lighter tone. These are very comfortable and you can literally see, even though I bought them second hand, they've literally been worn maybe once or twice. I've already worn these like 2 or 3 times and I can honestly say they're so comfortable. And also since I did pay like £2.50, which is like the retail price, they're currently being resold for like £3.50, £4.50, which is quite like a decent saving considering like they're difficult to get anyway. So if I was going to rate these out of like comfortability, I would give them probably about a 7 out of 10 because they've got a nice structure to them. The base is quite a thick sole, so this is all sole, and then your shoe doesn't come down to till about here, so you can't feel the floor when you're actually walking in them. It's got a decent amount of structure at the front and at the back of the shoe, which I find like you need that in a shoe, otherwise your feet feel like they can kind of poke through the toes and they feel like they're going to be sturdy and last a long time. Obviously from wearing them already there is creasing in parts of the leather, just on the lighter part. You won't really see until it's like fully close up. But the actual design of the shoes is really cool and they do have like a reflective property to them as well. In person there is a couple of sections that do reflect the light. So this bit here, this dark grey along with this. I find these look really nice with jeans, also with leggings, and I actually wore them with trackies the same colour as this section here of the shoe with a white t-shirt, so it looks really like cohesive. And I thought that looked very like stylish. I find these are quite an easy shoe to pair with outfits because they are so neutral. I would wear them with a skirt still as well. I just think they're a really cool looking shoe and they add a little bit something extra to your outfit, because for me I'm quite boring. I wear a lot of blacks, obviously I'm wearing red today, but I wear a lot of like neutral tones, so I can obviously style these with them, and I normally do only wear either white or black shoes, so it's quite nice to add a pop of colour in there. Overall I do think these are a really nice shoe and I would recommend them to anyone who's looking at buying them. I would say wait until they restock them instead of buying them at a secondhand sale price, because you will be paying a lot more for the same shoe which you can get for £2.50. I know they're a little bit difficult to get, but if you can get them online or if you can find the release date and order them that way, it's definitely going to save you more money. And I'd also recommend going like at least half a size up, because I found they fit just that little bit small, and I've already said that, but yeah, go half a size up in the Yeezys. I have heard before that you should go up a size because they do fit small anyway, but half a size for me was absolutely fine. I am very interested in getting them in the black now as well. I think they're a very cool shoe. If you do want to get them now, you can get them on FarFetch, but they are obviously a little bit more expensive. I'll link it down below. But yeah, they're a very cool shoe, and if you're looking at getting them, I would recommend it because they're so comfy. If you did enjoy this video and found it a little bit helpful, then please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Also, don't forget to watch another one of my videos, which will be attached around here.